A crate leaves a factory or warehouse in China. A photo of it and its sensors is taken and emailed to Ed Office via a special email address that goes directly into DV Gallery's image management system. It's then loaded onto a truck. When removed from the truck to get it onto the next mode of transport, another photo is sent to Ed Office. When the crate leaves the ship after a long journey, a photo is again taken and sent to Ed Office. If that photo is approved, the client can log in and see two things: where the crate was at that specific time on a map, and two, a photo of the crate and its sensors. Those sensors may include an impact detector having gone red if a threshold has been exceeded, a sensor showing the maximum humidity, and perhaps one indicating the highest, lowest, and current temperatures. Photos are again taken as it leaves the train, and the semi. Finally, it arrives at its destination, a factory in Mexico in this example. The client now has access to a log of steps throughout the journey. If something had gone wrong, both the client and the shipping/logistics head office can see which leg of the journey the issue originated. This provides both the client and the shipping organization a view into where something was during the journey, as well as a log anytime afterwards.